Hey guys, welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to use the brand new Gemini feature inside Google Maps. With Gemini, you can ask about traffic, weather, road conditions, and find coffee shops along your route, and even choose a scenic drive, all with your voice. So let's go. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Next, tap Microphone and make sure Google Maps has permission to access your microphone. If it's turned off, simply enable it. This allows you to ask to Gemini while you are using Google Maps. Now, open Google Maps and tap your profile picture. Next, go to Settings, then tap Navigation. Scroll down until you see the option Go hands-free with Hey Google under Gemini. I recommended turning this on so you can start by searching for any destination and tap Start to begin the navigation. Once your navigation is started, you will notice the Gemini icon on the top right corner. Tap it, or just say, or Hey Gemini. For example, you can ask about the traffic, like on my road. Gemini will instantly tell you it.
There is a medium delay on your current route along road number 16, but overall traffic is typical for this time.
If traffic is normal, whether you are already on the fastest road, and even suggest alternative routes if needed, and need a quick break during your trip. Just ask, find me a coffee shop about half away along my road that isn't a big detour. Within seconds, Gemini will find nearby coffee shops along your journey.
I found a few coffee shops along your route, starting with Coffee House and Finjan Cafe. Coffee House is 1.9 kilometers away and has a 4.9 rating, but it closes in less than an hour. Finjan Cafe is a quick detour, open 24 hours, and also rated 4.9. Would you like to stop at one of these, or hear more options?
And you can simply tap Add Stop to include one in your route. That's not all. Gemini can also help you with weather condition. Just ask, what the weather like along my road. It will tell you whether the weather is good or driving.
It is currently 26 degrees Celsius and cloudy in Dhaka with a chance of passing showers tonight.
Or if there are any storm or bad condition ahead, you can even customize your drive by saying, find me a scenic road that avoid highway and toll roads. Gemini will automatically search for a more scenic road using a local road and show you how much longer the trip will take. If you like the suggestion, simply confirm it and Google Maps will update your navigation instantly. This new Gemini feature makes Google Maps much smarter and more helpful. Whether you want live traffic update, weather information, nearby places to shop, or a beautiful scenic drive, Gemini can do it all while you are on the road. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Phone Transformer for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.